would like to introduce the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Dr. Rajeshri Raut. Dr. Rajeshri Raut, Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication and Dean Students Affairs, Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. She is a graduate and postgraduate from Government College of Engineering, Amravati, and has done her PhD in error control coding in year 2011. She has 21 years of teaching experience and industrial experience of 1.5 years. Her achievements include Nagpur City Mayor Award as Women Achiever, March 2019, IST National Award for Innovative Research in Engineering, 2017, IST National Award for Best Engineer, 2013, RTM Nagpur University Best Teacher Award, 2011, IIFS New Delhi Shiksha Ratna Award, 2011, more than 75 research publications, 4 SCI, 20 Scopus journals, having around 200 citations, H-Index 8, I-10 Index 7, 5 patents published, delivered around 50 expert talks in engineering colleges. She has also delivered expert talks and chaired international conferences abroad in countries like Mexico, Dubai, and Malaysia. She is the advisory and editorial board member for many international journals. She is currently guiding 3 research scholars. 6 research scholars have been awarded PhD under her guidance. She is the only and the first lady to represent IST Maharashtra and Goa section as SMC, that's Section Managing Committee. Currently, she is Executive Council member, IST New Delhi. She is the fellow of IEI, that's Institute of Engineers India. She has authored 2 books. One is Cognitive Radio, Basic Concepts, Mathematical Modeling and Applications, published by CRC Press, and other on error control coding for performance improvement in BER. The project guided by Dr. Raut, titled Design of PSK System in Cognitive Environment, was awarded Best Engineering College Project Award for the Maharashtra State, Feb 2016 by ISTE. The sponsored projects successfully executed by her include projects from Amitech Electronics, Inotech Antennas Private Limited, and Crisol Tech Private Limited in association with IID Institute for Drones. She is well-known personality for her work in cognitive radio communications. This was all about ma'am's introduction. Now I would like to request Dr. Rajeshri Raut to please motivate our participants and share your experiences with us. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Saili ma'am. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. Actually, addressing the August gathering is an honor, because all here are keen on learning, and the topic of your STTP was also the current topic, which is the Internet of Things and its applications. And I am highly thankful to Pragati Patil ma'am, Prashant Kadu sir, and of course, respected Gaikwad sir, for giving me this opportunity to be present here and be able to interact with you all. So first of all, ma'am, I would like to know the participation here was from, I mean, all the states. I mean, outside Maharashtra participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Most of the participants are outside the Maharashtra.
Yeah. So, dear participants,
yes, ma'am. We have outside Maharashtra participations.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, dear participants, this is what the situation has given an opportunity to us. Otherwise, moving out of our state and attending a webinar or a STTP or FDP like this is very difficult. You know, you have to take leave, you have to manage household things and travel and all that. Fine. Now, because of the circumstances that we are in, we are getting this opportunity to sit at home, sit at the place we are, and get to know all these new things, get in touch with all these new technologies. So realizing this, IST also was instrumental, and I stand here on behalf of IST, being the Executive Council member of IST. I definitely want to share what all IST is doing and how IST is capitalizing this situation. First of all, a brief introduction about this society, the Indian Society for Technical Education. It is a national professional non-profit making society. My dear participants, it's a non-profit making society and has been established with a motto of career development for teachers and personality development of the students, and overall personality development of both the teachers and the students, and thus achieving a total development of the technical education system. It has active membership of more than 12 lakhs of technical teachers, then 5,35,000 student members, then 2,740 institutional members, and the figure goes for around 1,414 faculty chapters and 1,505 student chapters at the national level. And believe me, not only in India, it has international. We do have international chapters also. We have chapter at Singapore. We have chapter at Malaysia. We have chapter at Bangladesh. So these international chapters are also very active. And in this current scenario, what we have done an MOU with the BNY Mellon Global Investment Company, and we are trying to train the trainers. Training of the trainers is the motive of IST. IST will select 150 professors from all over India working in the field of computer science and electronics, and will train these teachers in the need of the hour technologies, the technologies which are needed today. What are they? The AI, the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, and the IoT. And this is what the college has done. It has picked up IoT, so easing our task, and then these professors will train minimum 100 students. So training the trainers, and then these professors will be asked to train the 100 students, and this will be all free of cost. Okay, so this is because this has been possible because of the MOU with the BNY Mellon Global Investment Company. Then IST has also formed in this pandemic situation, IST has also formed a III cell, Industry Institute Interaction Cell, and will guide and support our faculty as well as students for industry interaction. So we all have attended a series of meetings, and we have come up with certain solutions to meet the challenges in pandemic. Of course, we are also suggesting with the how to implement the NEP implementation policies, the new national education policy implementations. For that, two brainstorming sessions are conducted by IST, and IST is giving suggestions how can these be implemented. I request all mics to please be turned off. Yes, thank you. So IICT sponsored STTP has been also started, and this is one of the program under that. We conduct student and faculty convention every year and give awards as well. We sponsor students for international conferences. And so you see this organization is continuously striving for technical development throughout the nation. And what I expect over here, that those who have not yet availed the membership of this prestigious technical organization, you do avail it, because it is very much beneficial. And once you become a member, you're entitled to enjoy several benefits of whatever programs are being conducted under this global or national banner. Okay, so with this I come to what exactly I mean these STTPs intend to. Fine. So please do not take it as, and I really hope that you have not taken it in that way, and you have learned the technology, and don't keep the technology to yourself. When you have learned something, try to take it to the other end. What is the other end for us? For we teachers, the other end is the student. So once you learn the things, pass it on to either your junior faculties or your students. Fine. So discuss whatever new things have been learned and implement and propagate it. I mean, it should be passed on. So that way the motive of global education of these new technologies will be achieved. This is my earnest and humble request to all the participants. I congratulate the organizing committee, the Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, for such a nice initiative and all the efforts and pains that they have taken for this successful organization. The number of participants on the screen itself are 73. That means I believe believe that it will be more than 200 participants in the SCTP, because this is a formal program, and so I know that people do not attend this, but however, still there are 73. It means that the STTP definitely had a more than 200 plus participants. So that is a good figure, ma'am. Am I right about the figures? Am I right about the figures?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that was quite an intelligent guess, and yes, that is a response to the online learning, because online learning is very comfortable, fine, but it should be taken with that sincerity. Okay, well, to all of you, I say, though these are difficult times, yet you know that we always enjoy seeing a river. We don't enjoy seeing a pond. Why is it so? Why is it so? Can anybody answer in the chat box? Why don't we enjoy seeing a pond, but we enjoy seeing a river? रिवर साइड पे जाना हम लोग पसंद करते हैं, हम पॉन्ड पे जाना, पॉन्ड को देखना पसंद क्यों नहीं करते? कोई बता पाएगा? To feel the fresh water. Okay, one of the answer. Next, anybody else? More exposure, some creatures. Okay, river. Yes, that's it. I wanted that answer. Om Prakash. That Om Prakash sir, that is what was expected. River is in motion, so give your life that motion, and moreover, river is in motion through hurdles. So हम लोग अभी pandemic में है, अभी भी है. I believe we are still in the pandemic situation, but don't feel that वो mask लगा के जाना है, क्या ये bore है. Don't have that kind of attitude. Fine, just try to capitalize the situation, and because see what the river is doing, flowing through the rocks, and because it flows through the rocks, we enjoy it, right? We see the zeal of, we get the feeling of zeal through by watching a river. जिस तरीके से वो पत्थरों से टकराती है और वो लहरें पत्थरों से ऊपर उठ के आती है, वो कितनी सुंदर दिखती है. वैसे ही जब आप आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐसे मुश्किलों से टकरा के बाहर निकलोगे ना, तो आपकी लाइफ बहुत बेहतरीन बन जाएगी. बिलीव मी, दिस इज अ फैक्ट. Okay, fine. So this is what my experience tells me. I'm not so elderly person to I mean to give you to philosophy देने की उम्र नहीं है अभी. फिर भी जितना कुछ भी जिंदगी ने सिखाया है, I just expressed it. That is what I take life as. And before I conclude, just a few lines on the same, that what life should be taken as. These are not my lines. ये टाइटल सॉन्ग है एक सीरियल के, जो मैंने बचपन में देखा है, और वो मेरे दिमाग में इस तरीके से चला गया कि I really take life in that way. So the lines are something like this. वो पत्तियां न कभी हरी हुई, वो पत्तियां न कभी हरी हुई, जिन्हें छांव में रखा गया, जिन्हें छांव में रखा गया, उन्हें धूप में रखा जाए, उन्हें धूप में रखा जाए, जिन्हें बादलों की तलाश है, जिन्हें बादलों की तलाश है. कभी हादसों की डगर मिले, कभी हादसों की डगर मिले, कहीं मुश्किलों का सफर मिले, कहीं मुश्किलों का सफर मिले. ये चिराग है मेरी राह के, ये चिराग है मेरी राह के, मुझे मंजिलों की तलाश है, मुझे हादसों की तलाश है, मुझे हादसों की तलाश है. Believe me, the hurdles in your life will make your success look much more brighter, and you'll feel life is worth living. So do it and keep learning, keep going. Thank you all of you, and thank you ma'am for this wonderful opportunity to have an interaction. Thank you so much.